Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome back again to my channel. First of all guys, I'm so sorry I've not been consistent due to unavoidable circumstances. I've not been able to post for a while now, but I'm back hoping for the best. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. So today guys, I'll be showing you how I made this gorgeous carnation flower. Stay right here and let's get started. I'm starting with making a magic ring. Then chain 3. This counts as a first double crochet. Make 15 more double crochet into the magic ring. At the end you should have 16 double crochets in total. Close the magic ring and slip stitch on top of the chain 3. That's our first round. Starting on the second round, chain 3, then make one more double crochet into the same space. You'll have to double crochet into the space. Going forward, make 2 double crochets into every stitch. 2 double crochet in every stitch. You should have a total of 32 stitches at the end of the row. Continue doing this until you reach the end of the row. Then slip stitch on top of the chain 3 to close the round. Starting on round 3, chain 3, make one more double crochet into the same space. Do an increase again on this round, that is 2 double crochets inside every stitch. 2 double crochet into each stitch. Continue making 2 double crochets until you reach the end of the round. At the end you should have a total of 64 stitches. Slip stitch on top of the chain 3 to close the round. Starting on the round 4, chain 3. Again here we'll do increase. Put one more double crochet into the same space. Continue with 2 double crochets inside every stitch until the end of the row. You should have a total of 128 stitches at the end of the round. Slip stitch at the end of the round on top of the chain 3 to close the round. To start on our final round, we will chain 1, then single crochet, chain 1, then single crochet into the same space, chain 3, single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet into the next. Continue doing this until you reach the end of the row. At the end of the round, you'll end up with a chain 3, slip stitch, chain 1, then cut off your yarn. Okay, this is how our work looks like right now. Very gorgeous already. So the next thing I'm going to do the ends. I'm going to sew in the ends. So this is how I do my ends. I know there might be a better way to do it, but this is how I do it. Yeah. So I'm just going to do my ends, then cut off the remaining yarn. Yeah. I'm just using a smaller sized hook. You can use a yarn needle. I'm doing the same to this one here. Then I'll just cut off the remaining ends. Yeah, that's it. Next, you're going to cut some yarn long enough to pass in between the spaces at the end of row 2. You're going to pass it through the spaces at the end of row 2. Row 1, row 2, right here. Yeah, so just follow along and see how I'm doing it. Just continue doing this until you reach where you started. Yeah. So at the end, you're going to pull together the ends like that to achieve the final result of the flower. Yes, looks gorgeous already. So just tie a knot to secure, and that's our carnation flower. Just tie a knot to secure it. Cut the ends. Yeah. Oh my god, I love it. Wow. I think this is the kind of flower they use in wedding, right? So the next we're going to make the green part of it. How do we call it? Oh my god, I've forgotten. So you're going to make a magic ring. Chain 1. Then make 6 more single crochet. 7, sorry. Make a total of 7 single crochets inside the magic ring. You should have 7, okay? Then slip stitch to close the round. That's round 1. Slip stitch to close the round. To start on round 2, chain 1 and do an increase. Chain 1, make 2 single crochets in every stitch. So at the end you should have a total of 14 stitches. Should have a total of 14 stitches at the end of row 2. At the end of row 2, slip stitch to close the round. To start on row 3, chain 1, make 1 single crochet in every stitch until you reach the end of the row. So this is row 3. So you're going to, at the end of the round, you slip stitch, then chain 1, continue with 1 single crochet until you have a total of 6 rounds in total. This is my 6th round. So now on my final round, that's round 7, I'm going to chain 3, then single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, single crochet into the next stitch. Chain 3, single crochet into the next stitch. Continue doing this until you reach the end. At the end, slip stitch, chain 1, then cut off your yarn. You can do the ends, you can sew in the ends again to finish on your work. So the next thing, we're going to stick the flower using a glue. So we're going to stick the end like that, and this is our final cute flower. You can decide to use the floral stem to make it like a flower with a stem, right? Yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you.